Welcome back to AI Webiz. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, the jobs AI is set to transform, and in some cases, replace faster than you might think. We're going to look at 5 specific roles that could look dramatically different by 2026. Now, a quick heads up, this video is for learning and discussion. It's not financial or career advice, but a look at the trends shaping our future. Ready? Let's get started. Coming in at number 1, data entry clerks. For decades, this has been a staple entry-level job, but its days are numbered. Think about it. AI automation tools and sophisticated language models can now read documents, scan invoices, and pull out key information with incredible speed and accuracy. They can then populate databases and fill out forms without getting tired or making typos. Industries like banking, logistics, and healthcare are already implementing these systems to handle the tedious work of manual data processing. This isn't a maybe scenario. It's happening right now. The need for humans to manually type information from one screen to another is rapidly disappearing as AI takes over these repetitive, rule-based tasks. Next up at number 2, we have customer support agents. We've all interacted with them, AI chatbots that pop up on websites, voice assistants that answer our calls, and virtual service desks that guide us through troubleshooting. These systems are becoming smarter and more human-like every day, capable of handling thousands of customer conversations simultaneously 24/7. By 2026, it's predicted that most companies will maintain only a small, specialized team of human agents to handle the most complex, sensitive, or high-value customer issues, the routine, first-line support queries. They'll be almost entirely managed by AI, providing instant answers and freeing up human agents for more strategic work. This shift is all about efficiency and scalability. At number 3, we have a role that might surprise some of you, basic graphic design and editing. For a long time, creativity was seen as a uniquely human domain, but AI is challenging that idea. Creative AI platforms like Canva's Magic Studio, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney can now generate stunning posters, social media graphics, video thumbnails, and advertising visuals from a simple text prompt. Need an image of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars? You can have it in seconds. This means designers who rely solely on creating simple, template-based work may find themselves competing with incredibly fast and cheap AI. However, this is also an opportunity. The designers who will thrive are those who master these AI tools, using them to supercharge their own creativity and deliver unique, high-concept work that an AI alone can't replicate. It's about evolving from a creator to a creative director, guiding the AI to produce something brilliant. Moving on to number 4, market research analysts. Traditionally, market research involved a massive amount of manual work designing surveys, collecting data, cleaning it, and then spending days or even weeks analyzing it to find meaningful trends. AI is completely revolutionizing this field. Advanced AI systems can now scrape and analyze data from millions of sources in real time: social media, news articles, customer reviews, sales data, you name it. They can then summarize key insights, identify emerging trends, and even predict future market behavior automatically. What once took a whole team of analysts to compile into a single report can now be generated in minutes through dynamic AI-powered dashboards and summarizers. This allows businesses to make faster, more data-driven decisions than ever before. Finally, at number 5, we have routine accounting and bookkeeping. For many small business owners, bookkeeping is a necessary evil, time-consuming and prone to human error. But AI-powered finance software is changing the game. These tools can automatically connect to bank accounts, categorize expenses with high accuracy, generate professional invoices, and even forecast cash flow trends to warn you about potential shortfalls. They're like having a digital bookkeeper working for you around the clock. As this technology becomes more accessible and affordable, the need for human bookkeepers to handle day-to-day transaction recording and reconciliation will decline significantly. Instead, finance professionals will shift their focus to more strategic roles, like financial advising and complex tax planning. Now, hearing all this might sound a little scary, but it's crucial to remember this: AI doesn't just replace jobs. It creates entirely new ones. Think about the new roles emerging right now: prompt engineers who specialize in communicating with AI, AI ethicists who ensure these systems are fair and unbiased, data trainers who teach AI models, and human AI collaboration managers who integrate AI into business workflows. The landscape is shifting, not disappearing. The key to navigating this new era isn't to compete with AI, but to learn how to work with it. By embracing these tools, we can augment our own abilities and focus on the uniquely human skills that AI can't replicate: critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and true innovation. And that's a wrap. Your quick look at 5 jobs that are set for a major shakeup before 2026. Which of these surprised you the most? Is there another job you think is on the verge of a big change? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all things AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more insights every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.